Hi everybody, my name's Thomas. I'm in New Hampshire. I am a T12 para, 4 years into it. I just wanted to show you guys what is possible with the correct mindset. Um, Disclaimer, this is very, very dangerous. It's a chainsaw, okay? I was a logger my lifetime. I've always done this kind of stuff, so I do know what I'm doing. But safety equipment, hard hat, very important with face screen and earmuffs. Chaps and steel toe boots are the most important. And I just want to show you what you can do, what's possible. Being able to have a nice sharp saw is always preferable. You don't want to work with a dull saw, so don't. But this is how I started. I'm a T12. I only have a 2-pack, but I can do this. I throw it down and yes, I know it looks dangerous. That's just like in wheelchair basketball. For someone who needs a little hint on how to lift things that are heavier than they think. Wheelchair basketball, you roll the ball up on your wheel. What I did, go like this, and I put it on the wheel, and I'm pushing up, and I just was able to lift it. Don't do it too much. It's not good for your shoulders. If you notice, the log is nice and flat, so instead of cutting right through and having it fall down, I cut down as far as I can. Now I go underneath, so I can make a nice straight cut, because if it's at an angle, it binds, it's harder, it's tougher. This is just the easy way to do it. By the way, this is not a huge chainsaw. It's a 460 Rancher. You don't need a big saw. Just got to know how to sharpen it. With only a 2-pack. You notice my elbow is right here, and so it's just a pivot, so all the weight is on my knee, and you don't need to push down the saw will cut by itself. That's why I have a sock on my arm, so I don't tear the bottom of my arm up all the time doing that. make your arms longer. And that's how you do it. You just got to be careful. Have a nice sharp saw. I hope this is motivational to you people who are folks or friends and like people who have to deal with depression and not being able to do things. This helps my depression. See ya. That's awesome.